1, 2, 3, 4. Now this song has a strange name, but it's a really nice melody. It uses a bit of cage system, which I'll explain in the lesson, moving up and down the neck. You need to be quite on it with your positioning, so you need to know like exactly where your fret numbers are to make this song smooth. It's also, once again, quite a quick one, moving into the middle of Beyond Fingerstyle Freedom. And it's also got some really nice hammer-ons and flick-offs. So really hope you enjoy it. Let's start learning how to play it. Here's the first 4 bars of Soft Shapes of Past Failures. A bit slower. So it's basically the same 2 bars played twice. You're starting with a mini bar chord A. You don't need to bother barring the B and the E string, they can be muted, but just make sure you are pressing on the D and the G string nice and hard, okay? Thumb on A, thumb on D, index, thumb on A, thumb on D, and then ring finger already getting prepared for fret 4 on the G string. See, I'm getting this finger stretched over. It's not doing this, it's prepared, it's stretched out. Then thumb on A, then D. So bar 1 is, and little finger on fret 5. Notice 4's still there, because we're going to come back to that very soon, and the 2's are still there because we're going to need them. So it's a bit of a stretch as a chord. Thumb around the neck of the guitar, you'll be cool. Then thumb on A, thumb on D, 4 on that index. Then we go thumb on A, thumb on D, strike fret 2 on the G string, hammer with the ring finger onto 4, then flick away to reveal to 2 again. Okay? Repeat. Okay, so another nice little workout for the bar. Thumb right round the neck of the guitar. Very good work. Okay, next, we're going to move to a mini bar chord on fret 5 on the D, G and B string. And we're going to go thumb on A, index, ring, middle, index. Then fret 7, leaving the bar there the whole time, on the thinnest string with the ring finger. Play that note, then middle, index. So it's the next bar. Let's do that slowly. So it's got the same idea, but it's just played as a higher octave as the first 2 bars. 7, then middle, index, then little finger stretched out to fret 8, pinching the A and the ring finger on fret 8, then middle, index on the 5s, then ring finger back to 7 on thinnest, ring, middle, index, and strike 5, leaving the bar the whole time, hammer to 7, flick away to 5. Repeat. This is bar 7 and 8. Okay, very good. Now take this bar, this is for the next 2 bars, and move it up to fret 10. So you're barring on fret 10, pinching A string and then the bottom 3 strings, so 4-fingered pinch. Give that a pull. Then move to a D minor chord. So this is a D minor, 1, 2, 3. Slide that chord up to fret 8. That's using the cage system. So that D minor becomes D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. It becomes an A minor. That's why it's called A minor alternative. So that's an A minor, but with a D minor chord transposed. So it's another big pinch there. Then 5, 6, 7 on thinnest, middle and ring finger, pinching once again the A string and the bottom 3. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Then we bars 11 and 12 are 10. Then move the bar up to 12s. Then move the bars down to 5s. So pretty simple that, it's just a lot of fret movement. All the same bar chord shape though. Then bars 13 are the same as bar 9, so we go 10s, D minor shape starting on fret 8, then 5, 6, 7, and then just put the index finger down to fret 4 and slide it up to fret 5. So we go 1, 2. If you can, leave the rest of the chord here. Then 10, 12, 5 on the B and E string and 6 on the G string. Give that a pinch. Then move down to fret 3, making an F, mini F bar chord. So that's 1, 1, 2, 3, but slide that up to fret 3. So we've got 3, 3, 4, 5. Pinch those strings, then move that chord shape up to fret 5. And you get this pinching the strings you're holding down only. So from bars 13 onwards, it's I always get that bit. It's quite a bit of movement, so it's focus on that. I find that hard personally. I think that's quite challenging, going from that pinch to that pinch. There's not an awful lot of movement, but it is quite challenging. Okay, so hope that makes it a bit clearer for you how to do this song. My advice is focus on the first 8 bars as like almost like a separate song, and then the next 2 lines or the next 8 bars as another song, because there's a bit of movement there, and then bring it all together at a nice slow speed. Okay, enjoy, keep on playing.